Hi, welcome to our channel Shaha Computer Education Center. From today, we will start a new series for learning Excel functions. So, if you are learning basics of Excel, this series will be vital for you. So, I request you to subscribe our channel so that you get regular notifications when I upload new video for Excel functions. So, let's start today's tutorial. Excel has different types of functions. Here is a list for Excel function types. So you can see here financial, date and time, math and trigonometry, statistical, lookup and reference, database, text, logical, information, engineering, cube, compatibility and web. These are the name of the function type, and each function type has many functions. So today we will start with logical function. So we can see in logical function type we have different function name: and, false, if error, if na, not, or, true and XOR. And today we will learn AND function. So here we have given small description of AND function. So AND function is a logical function type and its syntax is equal to and within bracket you can put logics and you can use more than one logic. And what does this AND function returns as value? So in AND function we put different logics. If we have more than one logic, if all the logics are true, then it returns true. And if any one of the logic is false or wrong, then it will return false as result. So let's see how it works. So in example 1, we can see here we have given a number set, that is 5, 6 and 7. And here is the text Ram, Sham and Rohit. So here I will see how AND function works. So let's start the formula equal to and this cell equal to 5 comma this cell equal to 6 comma and this cell equal to 7, bracket close and enter. You can see it's returning true because C10 is equal to 5, we can see here, and D10 equal to 6 and E10 equal to 7. All the logics are correct. That's why it is returning true. But if we put the logic in this way, equal to and this cell equal to 5 comma this cell equal to 6 comma and this cell equal to 10, bracket close, enter, is returning false because this logic is correct, this logic is correct, but this logic is not correct. So I told you that if any of the logic is incorrect, it will return false. And here we have one incorrect logic, that's why it's returning false. If two or all the logics are incorrect, then also it will return false. Now we'll test with text equal to and this cell equal to within double quotation Ram, then comma this cell equal to within quotation Sham, double quotation close, comma this cell equal to Rohit. And as you can see here, this is all in capital, but here I have not used capital for all the text, and this will not affect the formula because this formula is not case sensitive. So you can see it's returning true because all the logics are correct. But if I drag this formula, then also it's returning true. And if I change here Rohit to Rahul, it's returning false because these two logics are correct, but the last logic is not correct. That's why it's returning false. So first I will type here equal to formula text, this cell, bracket close, enter, so that you can see the formula. So now we will learn the second example. Second example says, check whether order has qualified for the offer or not. If item has offer and ordered amount of rupees 12,000 or more. That means we have three orders here. These are the items and each item has offer or not. That is, this item has offer, this item has offer, and this item does not have any offer. And this order has amount value of 20,000, this one is 10,000, and this one is 25,000. We have to check whether this order is qualified for the offer or not. So we understand the AND formula. With the help of AND formula, we will check that if these two are matched with our condition. So we'll type equal to and this cell equal to yes, comma, this cell greater than equal to, that is 12,000, bracket close and enter. So our formula is if E19, that is this one, equal to yes, and F19 greater than equal to 12,000. So we can see here that it is yes and it is greater than 12,000. That's why it is returning true. That means this order is qualified for the offer. Now drag this formula. You can see here these two are not qualified for the offer because you can see that this item has the offer. You can see this condition is correct, but the order amount is less than 12,000. So this condition become incorrect. That's why it's returning false. And here this item do not have any offer, but the order amount is more than 12,000. That is, this condition is incorrect and this condition is correct. Then also it is running false. So we got that this order has qualified for the offer and these two orders do not qualify for the offer. So now we will see our third example. So our third example is calculate the discount amount of 10% on amount if qualified for the offer. That means if any order is qualified for the offer, then calculate the discount amount of 10%. So here I will use equal to if, bracket open. So our logical test will be and this cell equal to yes, comma, this cell greater than equal to 12,000, bracket close. That means if this logic is true, then we will have order amount into 10%, else 0. So this is the logical function and our logic test is this one. So we have used this function, and if this logic is true, then it will return order amount into 10% or 0. Then bracket close, enter. So we got 2000. Our order amount is 20,000 and we can see here this order amount qualifies for the offer. So it got 2000 discount. Then drag this formula. You can see these two does not qualify for the offer and hence it has 0 value. And now we will see our fourth example. Our fourth example is check whether student passed in all exam. pass number is 30. That means if a student passes in all the three subjects, then he will get pass, otherwise fail. So again we'll use the AND function within if function. So here equal to if, and our logic test will be and this cell greater than equal to 30, comma this cell greater than equal to 30, comma this cell greater than equal to 30. If all the three logics are correct, then it will return pass, otherwise fail. So bracket close, comma. If this AND function returns true, then we'll have result as pass. Else, if it returns false, then we'll have the result fail. Bracket close, enter. We can see here this student got pass, and if we drag here, this student got fail, this pass, and this one fail, because this number is less than 30 and this number is less than 30. That's why these two student got fail result, and these are all greater than or equal to 30. That's why these two student got pass as result. So I hope you have understood the AND function very clearly. But if you have any problem regarding this AND function, you can write me in the comment section. I will clarify all the queries. And on the next tutorial, I will show you how OR function works with these examples. So thanks for watching till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.